from every 10 coins you earn, spend only 9 coins and keep 1 coin for yourself. What is the meaning of that? Same thing, right? Separate. Save. How much percentage?
Save at least 10%.
Save at least 10% of your income first before spending. Yes, we discussed all these things like anything, man. All these things we covered already, right? Okay. So salary comes just up. So the rule is very simple. Save at least 10% first and then start spending. Okay, like, sir, now, so what the need? Just observe that salary comes. We are getting money in multiple ways: salary, business payments, freelance, the commission, like multiple ways we are getting the money. Assume that. So then we are always paying rent, EMI, staff salary, software tools, family expenses, shopping, food, travel, like all the things we are spending. At last we are always going to feel, ayo, nothing is left. Yo, nothing is left. Nothing is left. We are spending without saving. We are spending so without saving. So after spending, if any money is there, then only we can save that money. Most of common people's habit is this one only, man. Hurry, are you going to save? First, let me fill all my expenses, and then if anything remaining, then definitely I will save, man. Okay, like, then definitely I will save. How many times you had this type of point in your mind? Or how many times you experienced this type of thing in the surrounding? Whenever your salary is coming, immediately that bill, this bill, dot, and so on. Hurry, are you going to save? Hurry, last month, full expenses, ra. I didn't save anything. Full expenses. Hurry, are you going to save this month? Sorry, ra. My wife's sister's marriage is there. Okay, we have some expenses. This month not possible. Hurry, worry about next month. Sorry, next month also not possible, ra. School fees we require to pay. Hurry, expenses will be forever. Forever expenses will be there. So after expenses, I want to save. If you have such type of feeling, you're never going to save. By mistake, if you save also, if you save 100 rupees or 200 rupees, there is another expense will come automatically. It is going to eat the savings also. This is the bigger problem for most of the people. They are spending first, saving later. This approach, is it recommended or not recommended?
Recommended.
Not re-
Not recommended.
Spend first, save later. Is this approach is recommended or not recommended?
not
No, sir.
Not at all recommended. Not at all recommended. First, save first, and then spend later. Okay, save first, and then spend later. Your first payment, once you are getting the money, man, you start giving the payments. You start paying the things. Your first payment should be to yourself. Remember this one. Your first payment should be to yourself. And then you can pay, no problem. You can pay for all the remaining. Save first, spend later. This is the approach the rich people are always following. The wealth creation rule is this one, right? So at least 10% you require to separate. You require to separate from your earnings. So pay yourself first. Save first, spend later. Not spend first and then save later. The first payment should be
Savings.
to be
the
yourself.
first payment should be
Pay yourself.
to yourself only. The first payment should be to yourself only. Remember this. Okay. If you can't save 10% from today's income, if you can't save 10% from today's income, you may not save even after earning double income. You may not save after earning double income, most of the people are going to feel, day before yesterday, we discussed, most of the people are always going to feel that once my salary got increased, then I will think about saving. Once my kids' education completed, then I will think about saving. Okay, once my health problem got completed, then I will think about saving. Okay, they're always going to postpone savings habit. That is the bigger problem for most of the people, dosto. So first thing, save first, and then spend later.